I bite you. So people have to open the bucket, they're going to run out. Yeah, once you open the bucket, they run out. Because the bucket start full up here now. So in Jamaica now, we have what is called crab season. And crab season is generally in the rainy month. So if you live in places like Westmoreland, Hanover, Clarendon, St. Thomas, Portland and them kind of places that get a lot of rainfall and have wetlands, people generally go out at nights to go and catch crab. But we've been getting so much rain lately, the crabs are forced to leave their holes even in the daytime. So today we're going to take you on a trip to Deep West End where they have so much crab and people will leave from all over Jamaica just to come and catch crab for the fun of it. So in America where you have bird hunting or people go shoot rabbit or whatever people go hunting for, Jamaica have a sport where we go out at night and we gear up in our water boot and we buckle torch or tiki torch as y'all call it, and we go out and we catch crab and we full up with bucket or we full up with pickup and we just go cook and have a feast. So sit back, relax, enjoy this little journey as we take you on a thing called crab bush in Jamaica. If you have not yet done so, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, very important that you like the video, and please feel free to leave a comment. And if there is some place in Jamaica that you want us to go, you don't know say we say road trip. We never turn down a road trip unless we're sick. So sit down and just make we catch some crab, and remember, if crab bite you, squeeze in yai. Soon forward. Alright, so we reach a crab bush now, and as you can see already, crab a crawl pan fence. So put on your water boot, come and go catch some crab. And please remember, they will bite you. So please be careful, and again if they bite you, squeeze them yai. Don't forget that part there, we just squeeze in yai and he will let you go. Come on. And as you notice, they walk sideways. And see another crab down in them hole. So all of these holes where you see in the ground are just crab hole. All of them hole there, them dig out the hole and go under there. So whenever the other side gets flooded out, them just come and create new homes in these holes in the ground. So in a dry time now, you actually have to come and stick your hand inside of the hole. But what them do, them stuff it up with grass. Because them will bite you. They will attack you and they are very, very defensive. One thing I can't wrap my brain around though is how people eat crab. But you love what you love, and I tell you that people will go crazy for crabs. And if you want some real cooked crab, Heroes Circle in Kingston have crabs all year round. So if you ever depend on that side, you can go check out the ladies up there, make them cook you some nice crab. See this guy, you know, come out time hole. Mama and Papa crab. So how much time are you come out from catch crab?
No, we just come.
Oh, you just have come here now?
Yeah, we just.
So that's what you do every year?
Mm-mm.
I was saying. So this is something you do for fun or you actually eat them?
It's the kids then.
Oh, your children them love it?
Yeah.
I was saying, well, I can't eat them. I love to see people catch them, but I can't eat them. I'll go gangster on this. Yo, hold on there. So people, when we say if the thing hold you, if you hold on to that,
Yeah, man.
nah, let it go. You have to actually put a lot of pressure on it to get here. You see that?
Yeah.
Nah, let it go. But same time if you hold your finger and just grab you. Yeah, man. So with the crab bush, and we are going to catch some footage of the whole crab vibe in a Westmoreland, specifically when it rain a lot and the crab them force to come out of them holes. People just have fun to come out and catch them and make some curry crab and things.
Yeah.
Then hold on for it. And if it force it to take it out, and make that become a finger here. Gonna let you. So when I come up there, so see him on the top, on the top. See it there. And if you don't lock the pan, then we run out, you know. Say it.
Come on, man.
Yo, somebody come on here, so. You're defensive. Never hear about crab in a barrel mentality, so they don't want to crawl out. There. This man is the champion crab catcher over the man. Swift for the foot though. So in the old days, people, it used to be a thing where, and that's what I tell you, everything has changed, you know. It used to be a thing where no man is really dopey. You have to come out in a night with flashlight or battle torch to come catch crab. No, you can't come out in a broad daylight crab and run. See one big one up there, my brother? Against the wall. You can't just come out in a day and catch crab. And it is just me say, like how you have bird hunting or people go hunt rabbit and that kind of thing there. In a Jamaica, catching crab is just another sport. And then when they go home now, then clean up the crab, them wash them, then cook them, and it's a feast. So Jamaica Uncut, and this is adventure for Western Road Negril specifically, and anywhere have Morris in a Jamaica you can find crab. So if you're Clarendon, Westmoreland, Hanover, anywhere you find wetlands, you will find crabs under the leaf. Just lift up the leaf. Oh. And this man come prepared, no people. The man come with his tongue, you know. He come go on, he can't decide say who him. Now make the crab bite him, so you know catch him with his hand. The other virgin dunks are just hand him and use. I'm not afraid of nothing. Yeah. So is that Westman?
No, Mobile.
Oh, on a drive come down your feet just catch crab?
Yeah.
For real? I see the people, man, say them a drive from Mobile just to come catch crab. It's a vibe, man. Like me personally never go crab hunting, but it's a vibe. Me always see people like 12 o'clock at night, people just line out with bucket torch and go and catch crab. Yo, up here, so my lad. Yo, see a couple big one up here, so. Who for crab up here, so? Do it as soft so you can't go for. You want what?
I'm bracing for them bracing.
Oh, yeah. Puff up in back on you. Right it off. Hold him. Yeah. Come up to me, so.
Me?
See him right under the leaf, so.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. No lift up the trash and you just see him there. Two of them are under the tree, so I'm going to manage the two of them. Alright, come back to the other one. The other one, yeah. You want to catch him yet? Grab him. To me there. Oh, I'm going to hit you. So people, if you open the bucket, they're going to run out. Yeah, once you open the bucket, they run out. Because the bucket start full up here now. You hold him? Yeah. So please remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share and leave a comment. If there's a place in Jamaica where you want to go or something where you want to do, or you know somebody do something interesting and you want to go check it out, just leave a message down in the comment section and we go check it out. As long as there's something interesting, you know, so we're going to go find it. So until we link up again, Jamaica Uncut, cut out, crab bush vibe.